Welcome to the Global Renewable Hub, powered by Brookfield Renewable. The Global Renewable Hub provides businesses around the world with a dynamic resource to help achieve their corporate renewable vision. Here's a quick tour of how. Our Renewable Buyer's Guide maps out the multiple routes to green, from power purchase agreements through to renewable energy certificates. A questionnaire can help you rationalize your energy purchasing requirements and quickly understand what kind of renewable agreement could be right for you. Animated diagrams map every stage of the process for additional clarity. Our Global Renewable Hub is designed to help businesses build the case for renewable power. With Why Renewables, we've dedicated a section of the site to exactly this, showcasing the benefits of making this shift at a corporate level. The Explore Markets area of the Hub delivers an incredible level of market detail and data. Get an overview of each market's operating landscape and see how each market is designed from a contract, trading, and pricing perspective. Our Download Center allows you to neatly package relevant information and download in presentation-friendly PDF format. Welcome to the Global Renewable Hub, here to power sustainable visions across the globe.